Did you know? Dolphins have unique behaviors and survival strategies. These remarkable creatures, masters of the vast blue expanse, lead lives far more complex and intricate than we might imagine. They are beings of profound intelligence, with rich social structures and astonishing abilities that continue to surprise and fascinate scientists. Their world is one of sound and of deep, enduring bonds, a world of intricate communication and ingenious problem-solving. In this journey, we will plunge beneath the waves to explore the hidden depths of the dolphins' world. We will uncover the secrets behind their incredible intellect, their methods of communication, and the sophisticated ways they navigate their underwater kingdom. In the immense and ever-changing theater of the ocean, intelligence is a key to survival. And here, dolphins reign supreme. Their brains, large and complex, are instruments of remarkable cognitive power. We have observed them solving intricate puzzles designed by researchers, a task they often approach with curiosity and determination. They can learn complex sequences of commands, understand abstract concepts, even innovate, finding novel solutions to problems they have never encountered before. This is not mere instinct. It is a display of a flexible and adaptive mind at work. Their ability to learn extends far beyond simple tasks. Dolphins can be taught to associate specific sounds with different objects, a skill that hints at a capacity for symbolic language. They can cooperate to achieve a common goal. In the ocean's depths, where light can be scarce and visibility poor, sight is not always the most reliable sense. To overcome this, dolphins have evolved a truly extraordinary ability: echolocation. It is a biological sonar, a way of seeing the world through sound. The dolphin produces a series of high-frequency clicks from an organ in its forehead known as the melon. These clicks travel through the water, bouncing off any object in their path: a fish, a rock, the seabed far below. The echoes that return are then received by the dolphin's lower jaw. These returning echoes are not just simple sounds, they are rich tapestries of information. The dolphin's brain processes the time it takes for the echoes to return, their strength, their frequency, creating a detailed three-dimensional acoustic image of its surroundings. In the complex social world of dolphins, knowing who is of vital importance. Each dolphin within the first few months of its life develops a unique signature whistle. This whistle is a distinct individual call, a melodic name that it will use for the rest of its life. When a dolphin broadcasts its signature whistle, it is effectively announcing its presence, calling out, "I am here, and this is who I am." It is a fundamental tool for maintaining contact with others over long distances in the open ocean. But other dolphins not only recognize these whistles, they can also copy them, essentially calling another dolphin by name. When a dolphin wants the attention of a specific individual, it will often mimic that dolphin's signature whistle. This is not simple imitation. It is a targeted form of communication, a way of addressing a particular member of the pod. They are a society of individuals, not an anonymous mass. This discovery suggests a level of individual identity and social recognition once thought uniquely human. For an animal that must surface to breathe, deep sleep as we know it would be a death sentence. To solve this fundamental problem, the dolphin has evolved a remarkable solution. It sleeps with only half of its brain at a time, unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. It keeps one eye open to monitor the environment for predators and to control breathing. After a period of time, the hemispheres switch. The rested hemisphere wakes up, the active one goes to sleep. This allows dolphins to get essential rest without ever fully losing consciousness. The dolphin is not a solitary creature. Its life is defined by connections to others. Pods range from small groups to massive aggregations. Teamwork is the cornerstone of their existence. They hunt, play, and protect one another, mobbing predators and supporting injured pod members at the surface. A dolphin's life straddles two worlds: dense water and clear air. Underwater, their pupils dilate and a reflective tapetum lucidum helps them see in low light. When they raise their heads above the surface, their lenses and eye shape compensate for air, letting them focus clearly in both environments. This dual vision helps them spot seabirds diving for fish, a sign of possible prey below. The dolphin is a masterpiece of hydrodynamic design, streamlined and torpedo-shaped to reduce drag. A powerful tail with horizontal flukes pumps up and down to generate thrust. They cruise comfortably but can burst up to 25 miles per hour, combining speed with extraordinary agility. Their pectoral flippers act like rudders for precise steering and sudden stops. They are the acrobats of the sea, masters of movement in 3 dimensions. Dolphins are masters of strategy. They herd fish into tight bait balls with military precision. They tighten the circle, forcing the fish into a dense ball. Then, two at a time, they charge through, mouths open, scooping up their meal. In other regions, pods have developed clever local methods. Some pods cooperate to beach themselves briefly, wriggling to gobble stranded fish and sliding back into the water. This complex, risky strategy is learned and passed down across generations. Play is central to dolphin life. Young and adults chase, leap, and twist for sheer exuberance. They toss seaweed and objects back and forth, play that practices hunting and social skills. They even surf swells, peeling off at the last moment just for fun. In Shark Bay, Western Australia, a remarkable tradition exists. Some bottlenose dolphins break conical sponges from the seafloor and fit them over their rostrum as a protective glove. They use the sponge to probe the sand for buried fish, protecting their rostrum from sharp shells and rocks. This is learned behavior passed from mother to daughter, a genuine culture, proof of complex social learning. The dolphin family is large and diverse, over 40 species spread through oceans and rivers. From acrobatic spinner dolphins to Amazon river dolphins adapted to murky rivers, each species is unique. Bottlenose dolphins can live 40-50 years, sometimes over 60, allowing deep traditions and knowledge transfer. But their futures are challenged by human activities. Noise from shipping interferes with communication and hunting. Chemical pollution and runoff accumulate in their bodies, harming health and reproduction. Plastic debris and ghost nets entangle or are ingested, often with fatal outcomes. Bycatch in gill nets and trawls remains one of the greatest threats, pushing some species to the brink. The vaquita shows how quickly populations can collapse. Fewer than a dozen individuals remain. But conservationists, scientists, and communities are fighting back. Establishing protected areas, innovating dolphin-friendly gear, cleaning coasts. Working with fleets to reduce bycatch and deploying acoustic alarms shows real progress. The future is not yet secure, but through global cooperation there is hope that their songs will echo for generations. We can all help: reduce plastic, choose sustainable seafood, support marine protected areas. They are individuals with cultures, traditions, and deep family bonds, a marvel beneath the waves. If you found these facts fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing wildlife stories.